have a clue yet. Do we need to help her if she doesn't pick her own animal? Okay, it's a cow. Wow. That was pretty awesome. Okay, who wants to be next? Oh, let's see.
Go, Haley.
Do you have an animal, Haley? And what is it? A pig. She's going to do a pig. Okay, go ahead and get real loud now. Yeah. Okay, between you two's next here. Oh, you are? Okay. Come on over. Come on over. Do we have an animal yet? Oh, here comes another cow. Get her done. Wow. That's pretty awesome, too. This dude here, now let me tell you what. He's got experience. He knows what it sounds like when you run a nail in through the hoof the wrong way. Right?
Only if you've done it wrong.
Oh, you've done it wrong. That's right. Come on over. What's your animal?
Aww.
Okay. So, applause for our first contestant, Mrs. B. Applause for our second contestant, Mrs. Moo. Yeah. Hang in there, I'll be right back. And the next contestant, let's have an applause for them. Okay. And Mr. Hall over here. I think we pretty well figured it out who's going to win this one. Young lady, the country cow is yours. Congratulations to you, Helen. Thank you.